Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's world. And how is your Monday grind going? It should be over for many of us. And for those of you all who still have to keep grinding, listen, it's going to be over with soon. All right, you all, I got some free watch faces I need for you all to check out. They're free in the Gear Manager store on the homepage. So check it out right after this video. And we're still going to bring you free watch face Tuesday. Don't worry about it. All right, you all, let's kick this review off. What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we got a couple of awesome watch faces that we want you to check out. They're free in the Gear Manager store, so when you get time, go check these watch faces out. There's no time limit on it. I'm guessing that it is free for good. All right, you all, but I wouldn't take no chances. Go ahead, download it right after the video. Now, the name of the watch face is called SMZ Activity S, and it's a nice looking watch face. Considering that they marked it down for free, this is definitely worth the download. Now, even in always on mode, you're pretty much going to almost get the same look. You're going to get your digital time, info on your step status, which is pretty cool. When the watch face is turned on, you get a host of information so far as time is concerned, your date, your day, and you also get your time in 24 hours. I never do 24 hours because I like 12 hours, but this one here is 24 hours and it comes in 12 hours. So Kryptonia, eat your heart out on this one. And if you come down, I thought this was very different. I kind of like it, right? Right up under it, you got some shortcuts, right? Here you got your messages, and it is an active, so you can tap into these and go right into it with no problem. If I could tap into it, and you can go in there, get your messages. The next one, you have your heart rate info. And the one in the middle, I really like, right? Because it tells you low battery. If it's full, it says enough battery. So I like the creativity and the thought that was put into this watch face by SMZ. I thought they did a great job with it. And you come over, it's going to give you your battery percentage, and you can make a phone call right from here. So I'm liking the look. You also get a couple of dials. You're going to get info on calories burned. You're going to also get info on your steps, miles walked or ran. This is definitely a nice watch face to have in your lineup. And yeah, it is interactive, so you can tap on it and see this one here actually brings up your music, right? And I tap on this one, it does bring up calories burned and your step information. Same thing, that gives you your step status. So I thought it was a very unique watch face, but we're not done yet. So check this out, right? So I'm going to tap right here on the 2, double tap. And it's going to change the color of the dials and the name of the watch face right up top right. I'm going to keep going. And I want you to see the fullness of this watch face and what it has to offer so far as color customization is concerned. Now it colors the whole face. So I thought that was pretty cool. Got some nice colors in here to change to. So considering that it's free, guys, I say download it when you get a chance. All right, you all, let's go on. Let's check out the last watch face. Number two. Now, I've reviewed this one before. It's called Tempus Fugit Canvas. It's like a photo weather watch face, right? Where you can customize your photos, you can customize the font. It has some nice customization, to be really honest, but maybe some of you all didn't like it when it was paid. So now it is free for the taking. So I'm going to show just a little bit of it. I'm not going to go into full detail, but in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look for whatever you have in display on your display right now, but it's going to be dimmed down quite a bit, but you'll still be able to see your digital time, right? So now down at the bottom, if you look, you have your steps. You also have miles walked around. You also have battery info along with font, the day of the week. You really can't see it because of the customization that I've already sent this through. And you get your weather up at the top of that, right? Now, if you want to customize it, just simply double tap and it will bring up so many boxes, and all you gotta do is check on each one and go through them. Here you can set whether you're male or female, how old you are, and you go to setting that calorie burner up, and also you can customize the font, right? The color of it, however you want to light it up, and just go through it, play with it, and you will see this thing is pretty fun, right? And you can also put your pictures. I think this is the main feature of this watch face, right? But you can have it where it cycles through. Let me get it to go. And whichever one you tap on, those are the ones that's going to automatically pop up after so much time go by. They change on you. So you could put your own watch faces so far as your photo gallery is concerned. You can have pictures of family, friends, loved ones, you know, your cat, your dog. I thought it was pretty cool. And that's pretty much it. I mean, you can change it from miles to kilometers, 12 hours to 24 hours, Fahrenheit to Celsius. You can customize like the left or the right, depending on whether you want steps on that side, you want steps on the other side, you want calories burned. That's going to be up to you. I'm thinking the customization was really, really nice. I suggest you go ahead, download it, check it out for yourself. If you like it, cool. If not, delete it. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the free watch faces that are located again in the Gear Manager store. Go download it and check it out. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoy the review. And if you did, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then yes, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.